n8n is one of the most popular workflow automation platforms, helping teams connect apps and automate processes without complex code. Now that Keplars is officially available on n8n integrations, let's see how you can use the two together to automate email workflows in just a few minutes. Hi, I'm Ananya, co-founder of Keplars. Today I'm excited to take you to a tour of how to use Keplars n8n node. Let's see how we can automate sending emails to anyone registering to a form. I am using Google Form here. So let me first create a form. I am picking a customer feedback form here. I'm just deleting the feedback type to just make it simpler and marking rest of all as required fields. Let's see how the form looks. Now publish the form and copy the form URL and open it on a different tab. So here's the form. I'm switching my account. Now under responses, link this form to a sheet. I'm changing the name to Keplars customer feedback and create. So here's the sheet where form data will be mapped. Now on n8n, as a first step, connect Google Sheets, click on row add. Select your credentials and select the sheet name from the list, here which is Keplars customer feedback, and select form responses 1. Now let's fill up the form and see if it's working. Now submit the form and back in n8n, click Fetch Test Event, and yes, we got our form submitted data. So our Google Sheet trigger is working fine. Now we want to automate sending emails to each user who submits the form. Select Keplars as our next trigger. We want to send instant email. So let's set up Keplars trigger. Click on Create New Credential. Let's just change the name to Keplars. Okay, now open the Keplars dashboard. Go to API key and create a new API key. Let's give key name n8n customer feedback. Select the email account and copy your key and paste it here and just save. That's it. Now just enter whom you want to send, which will be the email of the user. So just drag the email parameter into the field. For from, I want to send from this email. Let's give sender name to Keplars. Write a subject. In the body, let's say hi and drag over the name from the form and start executing the step. And it's sent. Let's check our mailbox and here it is. So this is just a basic implementation of how you can use Keplars and n8n. More implementations are coming soon. I hope this video helped. Thanks.